The Secret Garden. One sunny morning, 12-year-old Emma visited her grandmother's old house in a quiet village. It was summer vacation, and Emma was excited to spend 2 weeks away from the busy city. The house was small but beautiful, with colorful flowers growing around it and tall trees providing cool shade. On her first day, Emma explored every room in the house. She found old books, family photographs, and a wooden clock that had been ticking for many years. Behind the house was a large garden filled with roses, sunflowers, and fruit trees. As Emma walked through the garden, she noticed a narrow path hidden behind a thick bush. Curious, she carefully pushed the branches aside and followed the path. After a few minutes, she reached a small iron gate covered with green vines. The gate was unlocked. Emma slowly opened it and stepped inside. She was amazed by what she saw. It was a beautiful secret garden. Bright flowers bloomed everywhere, colorful butterflies danced in the air, and birds sang sweet songs from the trees. In the center of the garden stood a large apple tree with a wooden bench beneath it. Emma sat on the bench and enjoyed the peaceful silence. She felt happier than she had in a long time. The next day, Emma returned to the secret garden with a notebook. She began writing about everything she saw: the flowers, the birds, the butterflies, and the changing weather. Every day, she noticed something new. One morning, a family of rabbits hopped across the grass. Another day, she saw a tiny bird building a nest in the apple tree. Emma decided to take care of the garden. She watered the flowers, removed weeds, and cleaned the small walking path. Slowly, the garden became even more beautiful. One afternoon, her grandmother found Emma in the garden. "I wondered when you would discover this place," her grandmother said with a smile. "You knew about it?" Emma asked in surprise. "Of course," her grandmother replied. "My grandfather planted this garden many years ago. He believed that nature brings peace to the heart. Whenever I felt sad, I came here." Emma smiled. She understood why her grandmother loved the garden so much. As the vacation came to an end, Emma felt sad to leave. Before returning home, she planted a small sunflower seed beside the apple tree. "I'll come back next summer," she whispered. A year later, Emma returned to the village. The tiny seed had grown into a tall sunflower with bright yellow petals. Seeing it made her smile. She realized that just like plants, kindness, patience, and hope grow stronger when we care for them. Emma continued visiting the secret garden every summer. It became her favorite place to read, write, think, and dream. Whenever life became busy or stressful, she remembered the peaceful garden and the lessons it had taught her. She learned that some of life's greatest treasures are not expensive or famous places. Sometimes they are quiet corners filled with beauty, care, and love. Moral of the story: when we care for nature, nature gives us peace, happiness, and hope. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.